Imagine investing in an electric vehicle for a greener future, only to face an unexpected battery failure in just 14 months. Sounds frustrating, doesn't it? That's what happened to me. Here's a picture of me receiving my Tata Nexon EV Empowered Plus LR just as of January 2024. I was very happy to drive this vehicle and make a contribution to India's green future. But in 14 months, my hopes were dashed to the ground. Exactly in the first week of April 2025, I faced a battery problem. The car wouldn't charge to the maximum, and during the charging attempt, it instructed me, the car alarm sounded and instructed me to leave the car immediately and evacuate. So I contacted Lakshmi Tata Motors, the local service dealer, and had it towed. My story has been recorded in another video. I urge you to see that here. They kept it for a few days and then gave it back without finding out the basic problem and rectifying it. So this is the second video in which I have recorded my attempt to charge the battery, and you will see that even after 8 hours the battery wouldn't charge the whole way. It just charged up to 80%. So very much frustrated, I contacted the zonal head of Tata on the 26th of April, and today is the 10th of May. I've had 4 conversations with him. He promised a lot because of the incompetence of Lakshmi Tata Motors from top to bottom, right from the station manager to the general manager of the service company. They are all totally incompetent, inefficient, no knowledge, and liars. They are not worth there. They are disgracing, they are a disgrace to Tata. The person I would like to mention is Mr. Mohan Das, who is full of lies. Then the other person, Tata zonal head, Mr. Gauss Mohammed, I have spoken to him 4 times. He speaks in a very sweet manner, assuring that he would get the car battery replaced because it's under warranty within the same day or the next day, and he would deliver. And up till now, from 26th April to now 10th May, I've had 4 conversations with him to no avail. So I tried to escalate it further. I went to the website of Tata Motors and I shot 2 emails to the head of Tata Motors. You know the name, Mr. Chandrasekharan. But I have not received any reply from his official email ID. This speaks volume about the total lack of accountability of Tata Motors. It's a shame. Right from top to bottom, it's a shame. It's a shame. They have not replaced the vehicle, they have not replaced the battery. The main battery is at fault, and they also blame the accessory battery and the combo. They have not replaced it so far. They have given me a loaner car for the last 1 week after I cried out a lot because I have to commute to work, and they give me a loaner car which is parked down. My main car is lying in Lakshmi Tata Motors. I have not got the car yet, and I have no idea when it will come. From 26, I've been told it will come within a day or 2, that the new battery is coming from Bangalore. Then I said it takes only overnight journey from Bangalore to Chennai. Then the next day they said it's coming from Pune. So even it is from Pune, it takes 3 days. And then they say no, there is an issue with the transporter. So I thought legitimately maybe all the transporters have gone to the front line carrying missiles. But they said no, we cannot transport 1 battery. We have to wait for a ton. So same story. So it has not come from Bangalore, and God knows when it is going to come. Till then, I am left in the lurch. I am without a car. Tata should have compensated me for this with a new car, with a new battery. And since they have not compensated me with a new battery and left me in the lurch, they owe me a new car because it's a battery failure, and the battery is the heart of the car. If it has failed, then the car is useless. They should give me a new car with the latest version with the 45 kV battery. My car had the 40 kV battery, and that has been discontinued because of bad performance, and they have upgraded their battery. So since they cannot give me a higher battery with this car, they should give me a new and better car with a higher version. Even then, I am not convinced that it is going to last. Tata shares are slipping. They promise a lot of features to suppress the other cars, but the performance-wise, Tata cars have failed, as in my case. And after I uploaded 2 videos, which you can see here and here, I've got a number of responses on my videos. One from doctors in Salem, then another from another North Indian state, and every day we are seeing the EV news. Tata market share is slipping day by day. As of this quarter, the financial sites have given a sell signal for Tata Motors. The other competing company has come out with fantastic EV. So that in looks as well as in performance, it's a hero. So I urge those people who are watching this video to not to put their trust in Tata Motors, because this is not a battery failure. This is a lack of trust. My attempts to contact the local company, local service agent, the zonal head, the head of Tata Motors at the top, all have been in vain. I sent 2 emails. I contacted the switchboard. They don't bother. We are all small fry. They say this is Tata International Services, as if people are vying to buy Tata cars from abroad. So I don't know why they have this international services. Then I said, if it's international service, kindly connect me to your chairman. No response. So Tata has lost its trust. Viewers, do you want to still persist with this rubbish brand? It's time to look elsewhere, buy better cars, and very soon foreign cars with the best quality may come to India. With the normalization of tariffs, you will have better cars. So don't buy a Tata Nexon EV. If you're watching this video, share it with your friends who are contemplating to buy a Tata Nexon EV. Subscribe to my channel, watch these other 2 videos. Thanks for watching this video patiently. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.